So this thing does hold the water, but as long as there's no substantial pressure, because that was just the first pop, and if anything like presses it, it explodes open. So you can't really put liquid in it. And that was the primary purpose that I bought it for. This is a very flimsy, like it's Ziplocs hold better.
I only used this one other time, and I put water in it because I was going to freeze it for ice, and discovered it has a leak. So that pretty well stinks. I got these because I thought they would be more durable than regular Ziploc bags, but I guess I was wrong.
I originally bought these to store my dog food in. I cook for my dogs, and you know, I fell into the whole save the planet trap. But anyways, these would be, they're a very well made product, and as long as the zipper holds up, they'll be great, but they're not necessarily good for the thing I bought them for. So I'm switched up their usage. And yeah, that's my video, and yeah.